One thing you will all probably have noticed if you've watched any of my videos before is that I have no carpet at all. Not even parcel shelf, no carpet, just junk. Reason for that is that I was missing loads of carpet. Also in some of my videos you will notice this blue and white box, I've had it there for quite some time. Inside it is not a new set, but a good used set of brown carpet. There you go. It looks much nicer than the original. Obviously my gear lever, the original one is here, my one is there, so I might have to modify some of this carpet to make it fit. Basically the plan is that carpet in that car, which may involve, well, it will involve removal of the seats. It's not too big an issue, it's a handful of bolts. I'm going to unpack all of this, and I've kind of cleared a bit of floor here and we'll see just what we have. Okay, so starting from the front, we have obviously the mats for the footwell, passenger and drivers. This is goes up against the front bulkhead. Gear lever would normally come through here. Mine is obviously coming through there. Underneath the driver's seat, underneath the passenger seat. That is behind the gear lever, so around kind of an armrest, but it's not. This section here is upside down, actually. There we go. That goes at the back of the transmission tunnel behind the seats. That goes on the parcel shelf. You've got one each of these either side. There's one there as well. Goes across the rear arches, and then over there I've got a pile of steel bits. Now, like I said, my seats aren't original. These are MX5 seats, but they are using original MG Midget seat runners. So I can show you how they come out. Down the back here, which you can't really see it at the moment, I need to move the seat forward. There's two bolts. I think they're 11, or they're 11 mil, whatever that is, Imperial. I'll probably write it about here. And on the front, I've got two 13 mil bolts that screw up from the bottom. I've had to nut and bolt mine because the runners I had didn't come with the studs that the original seats have in the runners. Okay, it's all cleared out. As you can see, there is a lot of mess and crumbs and stuff underneath where the seats were. Now would be the perfect opportunity to clean all that, but of course I'm not. Still got to come out again at a later date. I've got all new trim panels, all new. So the seats will come out at a later date, so is the carpet. I've also got sound deadening to put in. I do have a reason for that. It sounds stupid, sound deadening in a car with no roof. I do have a reason for it. I will explain in that video. So as much as I'd love to sweep all this out, hoover it all out, I don't have a hoover here. I don't have a dustpan and brush, and yeah, to me it seems a bit pointless at the moment. I did think I can't do these corner bits around the arches because my roll bar's in the way, but that I can do at a later date. I think it's more about making it as presentable as I can with the limited time I've got ready for tomorrow. Right, looking much better already. That's a bit hideous. When I get home, I'll cut the section at the front and out the back just to make the lever fit there. We do have full range of gears, so not the end of the world, but it'll tidy this up a bit. These bits here, I've just remembered, actually go over there, like sort of like that. Obviously I've got to lift it up and tuck it all underneath there. And then the next thing I'm going to do is put the seats in, just to make sure that they all line up. And other than that, it'll be the front carpets, the rear shelf. So these side bits here, there's not really much I can do with at the moment. And ideally it'd be nice to get the trims in as well, but like I said, that's probably going to be the next video. How much better does that look? Obviously still got my wire in there. I tried to tuck it under there, but still some work to do there. Obviously this lead running across here, the grey cable, is my GPS speedo signal transmitter receiver type thing, which again need to see some work on. I did find out where they go, but again, they go right down there at the bottom of there. Again, I'll do that when I do my trim. Finishing touch for now. Finishing touch for now. There we go. With added footprint. Again, it's not perfect. It's presentable. Okay, it's not even really presentable. It's better than it was. By the time I got the door cards done, when all the cards and trims are all the same colour, it will be mint. It'll be better. Be a step forward.